So the guys behind the nanofoamer, Subminimal, have come up with a pitcher to use with their milk frothing device. Well, that makes sense because it's expected that if you use one of these, then you don't have the accessories that come with an espresso machine. So let's test the Subminimal FlowTip Milk Jug and see if we can pour better latte art with this one. Now, just a few features around it. Well, it's a nice matte black finish, nice elevated sloping design with this really fine tip for pouring latte art with. And there's some guides. You see those circles inside? That tell you how much milk you're pouring in. So each of the circles correspond to about 4 ounces or 120 mils of milk. All right, so I've heated some milk already, and let's pour it into our milk jug. So again, the Subminimal nanofoamer, as well as this one, doesn't heat the milk yourself. So you need a microwave or a stovetop for that, or maybe one of your original milk steamers without the frothing tip attached. And now we're going to use the milk frother to go along with it. Okay, so once it's quieted down, I'm kind of sure that I'm where I want it, at least for a latte. Okay, that's a lot silkier. Look at that. Well-textured milk. I swirl it around as I would if I were a barista. And I pulled a shot of Nespresso in this cup earlier on. And let's see if we can actually pour milk with this milk jug from Subminimal. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so definitely better than my try with the regular measuring cup I used earlier on. So yeah, that has been the Subminimal FlowTip Milk Jug.